Morning, folks. We are going to remove the drive shaft yoke or transmission yoke from the iRock Z28 drive shaft and install the recently purchased yoke that fits the 400 turbo transmission. Notice this yoke is longer than the yoke that came with the car. It's because the 400 turbo does not come in this particular car. It's an 87 iRock. The iRock came with this transmission, which is a 700 R4. The Turbo 400 is 3 inches shorter than the original transmission. So I found this yoke online. It's 3 inches longer, which should make up for the shortened transmission that's going to be installed in the car. Let's get started. So what we're going to try and do here is reuse the same U-joint by cutting off the yoke. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna put the other one in, the new one on. We put a little grease inside the caps. And what you do is gotta be careful if you got needle bearings in there that will fall out. And it's on there. You have to square it up though. All right, folks, so we've completed the yoke swap to the drive shaft. I just wanted to show you the last thing I had to do was make sure I had the yoke perfectly centered on the U-joint, and I did that by placing it in a vise, squaring it up in a vise, and using a feeler gauge on each side of the yoke, and using a hammer to move the yoke lateral until I've got the center. So I believe I got it. We'll find out once we get in the car, but it looks pretty good. And I may have to tack weld it on each end to keep it from moving or sliding out.